housing market is not frozen, buyers are still showing up, and home prices still holding strong. And mortgage rates actually even got a little bit of relief this week, which was really great to see. Happy Friday. Brian Manning here with the weekly update. Let's get right to it. I'm excited to be here today on this beautiful summer day. The sun is shining, almost the longest day of the year. But the biggest story right now this week was inflation. Not the headline numbers, it really didn't tell the whole story, but inflation was something we definitely want to get dialed in on with what we're looking at. So core inflation only rose on a monthly basis of, call it, 0.2%, which is really important. Almost 85% of the increase came from just two items. That was shelter and airline fares, which is something very important. When you strip out those items, everything else, core inflation rose by only 0.03%. So right now, that's really great to see. That matters because inflation is still an issue. It's not really as broad-based and runaway as we thought it was, and the entire economy is not maybe getting hit crazy by inflation right now, but it's very important to watch. Wholesale inflation, though, also moved higher. This is important because much of this right now is tied to oil prices. So wholesale inflation was higher. Oil prices certainly moved everything, but oil prices moved lower this week, and it really helped take a little bit of pressure off the markets and interest rates, which is great to see. Existing home sales, I was super stoked to see this. Stronger than expected. This is for the month of May. Existing home sales were up by 3.2%. In April, they were up as well. So this is higher than what we had last year. So it's great to see that home buyers are still out there in the marketplace. Even with interest rates, 25% of homes still sell above list price across the country. First-time home buyers right now making up 35%. Unbelievable. That's the highest number since 2020. So great to see first-time home buyers. Mortgage applications, this is great to see as well. We're up 7% on a week-over-week basis. That means that more people are out there right now applying for a mortgage to buy a home in this summer market. My takeaway, inflation is still driving volatility. Housing is not frozen. Buyers are active. Inventory is improving. And good homes are still selling fast. And 25% are selling above list price. Realtors, next week we got Sim Steakhouse, Just List, Just Sell, Just Win. We just did one this week in Colorado Springs, had really great feedback. Phenomenal lunch, and I love doing it. This is actually going to be the last one we do before we start to deliver new content. So next Thursday, Sim Steakhouse, 11:30 in the morning. Make sure you RSVP. Also, I'm available 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Yes, that includes weekends. If you have a customer you want to get pre-approved, you just have questions, you want to run numbers, you want to strategize about how we can help you sell more real estate, give me a call, shoot me a text, 303-500-3839. Hit me up 7 days a week, 8 to 8. I'd love to help you. Happy Friday. Hope you have a great day.